Elements have started to turn nasty this morning in Appari in Cagayan province as introductory gusts have turned visibility on the coast blurry and the apparent moisture hanging in the air all around. PTV correspondent on assignment Kenneth Paciente gives us a preview on how hard Super Typhoon Ompong is expected to hit Cagayan province in this report.
Torrential rains and howling winds have started to pound Appari, Cagayan intermittently as a prelude to killer Hurricane Ompong. Huge swells have been noticeably forming along the coastal towns in the province in the past 24 hours. In the face of bad weather turning even more nasty by the hour and despite repeated calls to move out and seek shelter in evacuation centers, a number of stubborn residents stand pat on their decision to stay for now. Their insistence based on reports or eyewitness accounts of nothing unusual in the Cagayan River's water level. Should things turn out for the worst, they are good to go at a moment's notice, they claim.
Hindi pa naman po malakas yung hangin, ganong malakas yung hangin, kaya pa namang babantayan na lang namin kung medyo pag malakas na siya.
Kasi sir, kung kami dito sa bahay, siguro, tibay siguro ganyan.
Yet another clarion warning from the Philippine Coast Guard in the province has been sent out to seek safe shelter before time runs out. Huge 30 to 40 feet swells of killer surf are expected to rush inland at the height of the storm.
Taas po ang posibilidad po ng storm surge, kaya yung malalapit po sa dagat, kailangan na pong lumikas. Kasi mataas po yung expectation natin ng mataas na alon. So, medyo delikado po.
The Philippine Coast Guard wasted no time to prep themselves strategically in high-risk areas with rubber dinghies when the monster storm hits land.
Nakapag-coordinate po tayo sa OCD Region 2 at saka dito po sa PDRRMO dito po sa Cagayan. Na sakali po kailanganin na nila yung tulong ng Coast Guard, ay tatawagan po kami. Para po makapag-ready rin po kami ng mga tao.
If there are those who still won't budge and move out, a whole lot more have taken it upon themselves to seek shelter and safety in places like this one in East Appari Central School. For Angelica, it was a no-brainer given the huge danger she faces living along the coast.
Pag nandun kasi kayo, mag-ano ka pa, lalakad ka pa, may bata. At least dito, sama-sama na lang kami.
Likewise, Kim is not taking any chances and put the health and life of her infant child at risk.
Mas sigurado, mas safe na lang. At least, mas mataas itong sa may second floor kung sakali. Pero wag naman sana.
School officials have guaranteed the help they need.
Handa na po yung mga relief goods na para sa mga kababayan natin na bakpis.
All told, close to 3,000 families or about 13,000 men, women and children have moved into evacuation centers in various municipalities of the province. Kenneth Paciente for The Nation.